Understanding the academic year budget. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an important topic that affects students, educators, and institutions alike: the academic year budget. Understanding this concept is crucial not only for those directly involved in the education sector but also for anyone interested in how educational institutions manage their finances. So, let's break it down together. An academic year budget refers to the financial plan that an educational institution, such as a school, college, or university, puts in place for one academic year. This budget outlines expected income and planned expenditures for the year, covering everything from salaries, educational resources, infrastructure maintenance, to student support services. It's a roadmap that guides how resources are allocated to ensure the institution's goals are met efficiently and effectively. Income sources. In this section, we explore where institutions typically receive their funds from, which can include tuition fees, government grants, donations, and income from investments. Understanding these sources is key to grasping how budgets are formed. Expenditures. Here, we'll detail the various areas where the budget is spent. This includes operational costs, such as utilities and maintenance, payroll for faculty and staff, academic programs, and student services, like counseling and extracurricular activities. Budgeting in education isn't just about keeping the lights on. It's about strategic planning for quality education and student success. This section highlights how a well-planned budget supports educational excellence, innovation, and accessibility for students from all backgrounds. Crafting an academic year budget comes with its set of challenges, including predicting enrollment numbers, managing fluctuating funding sources, and balancing rising costs with the need to keep education affordable. We'll discuss these issues and how institutions navigate them. And that wraps up our exploration of the academic year budget. We hope this video has shed some light on how educational institutions plan and manage their finances over the academic year. Remember, a sound academic year budget is essential for delivering quality education and fostering a supportive learning environment. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content soon. Stay curious and keep learning.